also a lot of my childhood was in Germany.
Okay.
So when I throw German words out for things, everybody goes, what? So yeah, I'm really out in left field.
I said it once on years and years ago at like
Yeah.
a 3 a.m. show. I said Jimmy's, and I remember the host looked at me and said, "Who's Jimmy?"
Yeah.
And I said, "Oh, maybe it's a Westchester, Pennsylvania thing."
We were talking about ice cream flavors one time, and I said spaghetti ice, and everybody was like, "No, we don't eat that here." I'm sorry. I was like, "Oh, all right." More to come. But now it's time to talk about another timely offer:
Yes.
the Temp-tations Harvest Carving Set with the gift box. Oh my goodness, place your orders for H212342 and you will get this beautiful carving set in time for Thanksgiving.
Look how gorgeous this is. And this is like that specialty piece that you bring out this time of the year, and it just means so much to you. So it's going to start with that great 1810 stainless steel, the beautiful embossed harvest pattern. What I love about it is it doesn't scream harvest. It's a beautiful, soft, leaf-like design, and you're going to get that great cold meat fork right here that we all know. You remember your dad pulling out things like this growing up? We all need it. And then you're going to get, I'm going to hold up the knife so you can see that beautiful serrated knife right there.
Which would you rather have on the table?
Yeah. So true, Mary, isn't it?
It is.
Look at the gorgeous. This has wonderful heft in your hand, so you know that you're getting a quality piece, yet very ergonomically designed, so it's very easy to hold and to use.
It's $19.60. It's on free shipping and handling, and you get this beautiful gift box.
Which I love.
I do too.
If you want a gift and you're going somewhere for Thanksgiving, how great would it be to leave this? But if this is for yourself, this is now the storage container. This is a fine piece from one of the best silversmiths in the country that we partnered with.
Wow.
Therefore, you want to take good care of this when you're not using it.
Which would you rather have in your hands for those holiday memories? Would you rather have this one? Or would you rather have this elegance here in my right hand? I mean, that curvature really is going to help you also. This is just a giant fork.
That's exactly right.
It'll be functional, but I don't know that it's going to be able to do what you want. This has that beautiful curvature to it. And the fact that there are two tines, that means that you are holding onto the protein, but you're not losing the tenderness.
Juices. That's correct. Because when you have multiple prongs in a fork, that's part of the issue, is releasing the juices. This is so well made. But everything from cakes, when we talk about a serrated knife, it has so many uses, which is why it's so popular. But now you can go into your cakes and look, instead of smushing or smashing the cake, forgive my terminology.
No, that's okay. I call things on tables oogies, so don't worry.
Instead of oogieing the cake, I love the fact that I can literally slice the cake, and I'm not chiseling, I'm not sawing. I'm literally just going right through the cake, and I get that beautiful cut, which is what we're looking for.
And, you know, I was going to ask if we could see the leaf detail here, because not only is it going to cut beautifully, look at how gorgeous that three-dimensional work is. I mean, all the way up the handle.
On both sides, Mary. That's the other thing. We could have just done one side. We actually embossed both sides. And you notice at the top and the bottom how there's that beautiful, see right up here?
Yes.
That beautiful border right there. But you see, those figural leaves actually are functional, because when you hold it, you have a good grip. And I'll show you over here what I mean. If you would like to cut the pork, or I will.
Oh, I will.
Oh, you will?
Sure.
Oh, thanks, Mary. I always love passing that job off.
Absolutely.
So do you see how, Mary, like you feel it in your hand, right?
It's really sturdy and good.
It's not slipping.
No.
And the other thing that's so great about it is the fact that this is high quality stainless steel.
Wow.
Amazing, right?
Okay, back it up, because we need to go back in time, because I need about 10 more minutes, because this handle has such great balance to it. It's the balance of it. And then that blade is beautiful, yes, but oh my gosh, it is just cutting through the protein, no problem getting all the way down to that platter, which I know is also okay because it's Temp-tations.
And I love the fact, again, it comes with this great gift box. I know, it's the piece that you're literally going to use all year round, although you're thinking of it for the holidays. You'll be pulling it out all the time.
You'll get it in time for Thanksgiving.
Ooh,
it's on 6 easy payments of $327, which helps. No, if you want to pick up more than one, there is no reorder on this set.
That's
so
correct.
H212342. How many gone, Scott, did you say? I'm so sorry. 200 have now been picked up in the show.
Great stocking stuffer, because look, And
a good walk in the door.
You know what I was trying to do there, right?
Shoop. Adore you.
This is why we get along.
I know. So many reasons.
So nice to spend time with you today.
Always lovely to spend time with you. Remember, find Temp-tations on Facebook, and I love giving a follow on Instagram. There's a lot of positive messaging shared on your page, and I like that. I like that a lot. Oh.
Hi.
Whoa.
Gotcha.
Hey, Mark Charles
What's
Masilli.
up? What's up, friend?
It's so good to see you back.
Good